In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change receiving accounts in Payoneer. By the end, you'll know exactly how to request new receiving accounts so you can get paid in the currencies and regions that fit your business. Start by signing into your Payoneer account, either on the website or through the mobile app. Use a secure connection and log in as you normally would. Once you're in, look at the left side navigation panel. Depending on your dashboard layout, you'll see either Get Paid or Receive. Both take you to the same place for this task, so click the one you see. From there, open the Receiving Accounts section. This page is where you manage all your existing receiving accounts and request new ones. Think of receiving accounts as your local bank details in different currencies or regions. They make it easy for clients and marketplaces to pay you as if you had a local account in that location. To add a new option, select Request Accounts. You'll be prompted to choose the country or currency you want. Common choices include USD, EUR, and JPY, but pick whatever you need based on where your payers are located. Choosing the right currency helps reduce fees and speeds up transfers since payments can be made locally. Next, select the specific receiving account type you want. For example, if you need to receive payments in Japanese yen, choose the Japanese yen account. When you're ready, click Next to move on. Now, submit your request. In some cases, Payoneer may ask for additional information or documents to verify your business activity and comply with regulations. If that happens, provide accurate, up-to-date details and clear documents to avoid delays. Submitting everything correctly the first time is the easiest way to keep the process moving. After you've applied, wait for Payoneer to review your request. Review times can vary depending on verification requirements, so don't worry if it takes a bit. You'll receive an update once a decision is made. When your request is approved, your new receiving account will appear with local bank details for that currency, things like the account number and relevant routing information. You can start using those details to receive international payments as local transfers, which often means faster processing and better compatibility with platforms and clients in that region. That's all you need to do to change your receiving accounts and expand how you get paid in Payoneer. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more Payoneer tips and tutorials.